How's it going, guys? Jonathan from Karate Outdoors back for another video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on. And what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be cutting 3 trees down. And I got my GoPro here because I'm going to be driving the skids here, and then I'm going to knock them down. My dad's going to make the cuts, and then I'm just going to push them over with the skids here. Because whenever you have like a machine, you don't need a rope. And then whenever you can't get the machine to where the tree is, that's when you use the rope. But yeah, so I guess let's just get to it. Alright guys, so made it here to the spot. We're gonna knock down that tree right there. So I'm gonna get in the old skid steer real quick. Then I'm gonna push it down. About to make the cut. Okay. So if y'all can hear me, he's about to make the cut, and I'm just, whenever he makes the cut, I'm just gonna push it. Alright guys, we got that tree down. Bye guys. That's it. Do another one. Alright guys, so as you just saw right there in the cinematic shot, my dad just put that in a pile. And also I'm about to go show you over there, he made another pile where we cut those 2 trees, or where he cut those 2 trees, and then I just pushed them over there. And then there's a bunch of stumps, we're probably gonna come grind those in a couple weeks. But yeah, we're just he's making that burn pile right there, probably burn it. Maybe not right now because it's kind of dry, but whenever it gets somewhat wet, they'll probably burn it here. But yeah. So yeah, that's what he's doing right now, just making that pile. And we'll just see you in the next clip. Alright guys, so we're gonna knock this tree down right here. That chunk of tree, we're gonna send it off that way. And then we'll cut this one right there and send it off that way as well. Today we're just gonna cut them down, put them down over there. And then we'll come cut them up later in the week. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty epic. Like, look at that skid steer. And look, the lake is just down there. Like, it's pretty insane.
Will that affect?
There it is, boys. Alright guys, so I have no idea what happened to the audio here in this clip, but what I was saying is that my dad cut these trees down successfully. He put them down right where he wanted them, and I was going to drive the skid steer and knock the trees down, but I just wanted to let him do it so then I could get the footage for you guys. And also, I was going to get a couple drone shots, but the drone came too late, which was a bummer. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. And I guess I'll just catch you on the next one. Peace.